Hey guys, so I wanted to break down the numbers on Airbnb number 4. This is a property I've owned since 2014. It's a townhome in Glendale over by the State Farm Arizona Cardinals football stadium. So I paid $44,000 for it back in 2014. It was a wholesale deal one of my buddies brought me. Today that same unit, 7 years later, is worth about $160. I had tenants in there for the last 7 years, and then I decided to turn it into a Airbnb. Rents over there were about $12.50. Right now I'm getting $200 a night. So we just launched it about 2 weeks ago. It's been booked since day one. So what I did is I converted it, and so I had to renovate it. So in the renovation costs, it cost me about $7,000. And then with decor, it was another $7,000. So about $14,000 total to get it up to Airbnb standards. So everything is top notch over there. $200 a night. So 20 nights would make me $4,000 compared to $12.50. So I mean, we're shooting for 30 nights, but it always doesn't happen. So in the summer, it'll be a little slower, but still you can see the numbers translate to about 4 times the monthly rent. So that's why we're full in Airbnb. We're gonna hit 10 this year. So check us out. Hit me up with a DM if you have any questions. Peace.